One of the common questions we get in Blackboard is how do you take the course menu that you'd see here under My Courses, or if you click on the Courses tab over here and you see all the courses, how do you arrange those courses? Well, there's a quick and simple way to make that happen, and so that's what this video is about. So if you navigate to the area, and we'll take My Courses for example in this instance, and let's say I wanted to move one of these courses to the very top of my list, what I want to do is highlight this area, no clicking of buttons. You'll notice there's a little cog or gear that will appear here. Once you click on that cog, it's going to open a new menu that allows you to drag, drop those different classes in the order that you desire. Not only that, you can disable them from even showing in that menu if you have some older classes in there that you really don't mind looking at or not wanting to look at. So for instance, this DICT template, which is the third in my list, I'll go over to this handler on the left hand side. I will go ahead and drag, release at the top, and now it's been added to the top of the menu. So to commit that, I will hit the submit button, and that's going to reorder that in my list, and you'll notice that that template button is now at the top. Again, highlighting this, clicking on the cog, and then you'll get to the new window. Now just notice there are checkboxes for other items, so if you wanted to see the course ID for instance, the instructors that are in that course, any of the last announcements, and maybe tasks that were in the course, you can click on and off the checkboxes. Typically, just having the course name is helpful. Adding the course ID gives you a very specific idea for that course if you're having to call in our help desk and need to provide a call number for the course. So again, by hitting the submit button, now I've not only added the course, but I've added the ID to it. It shows the instructors of the course and all other information that you might need for that particular course. And it has been added to the top of my menu. Hopefully this has been helpful. You have a good day.